and welcome back to another FAQ Friday where we answer all of your questions about all things yummy. Now ladies, a lot of you want to know what are these short hairs around my wefts? Well ladies, these short hairs are called beards. So what are beards? Well, beards are actually created during the wefting process. The hair is folded over and sewn down, leaving short hairs on the other side. So here's a perfect example of beards, those short hairs around the wefts. So let's talk installation. We recommend you double the tracks, folding it in half so that those short hairs are not exposed. Folding your wefts is to ensure that those beards are inward and not touching the scalp, making your installation super comfortable and fabulous. So ladies, remember earlier I mentioned that beards are completely normal, and to prove that all hair has beards, we have some cheap hair from the beauty supply store here, and I'm basically going to show you that all hair has beards. So with this beauty supply store hair, it is double wefted, and the hair from Yummy Extensions is not, which is why you see those beards. So here I'm just splitting the weft down the middle. It is only being held together by adhesive glue, which causes a lot of shedding. Ew. So here when I separate that weft, it is now a single weft, and you can now see those beads. Well ladies, that concludes today's video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!